Hey Cougs, welcome back to In the Loop. I'm Siri Cervantes. Now for this week's events. MVP is organizing a tote bag decorating event for our partner organization, Search, which help individuals who are homeless move into housing. Volunteers will have the opportunity to decorate tote bags with designs to be donated back to Search. These hand-decorated totes will be handed to the clients when they first move into their new housing with groceries, and can be reused for future grocery shopping trips. This event will be held in the Midtown room at the Student Center South from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Tea Tuesday provides students a chance to stop by UH Wellness to grab a free cup of tea and chat with other students. Typically, there's a topic of the day and multiple teas to pick from. The UH Wellness office is located within the Rec Center. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Join UH Wellness and fellow students in creating a project to help with stress. This Wednesday at the Wellness Extension classroom from 11 to 1 p.m. Do you qualify for FAFSA or TASFA? Should you apply? What information do you need to complete this application? Is it difficult? For answers to these questions and more, join the Scholarship Financial Aid for a workshop to learn the ins and outs of applying for financial aid. The School of Theater and Dance presents Henry V by William Shakespeare this Friday, 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. This event will be performed live and in person. Henry IV is dead, and Prince Hal is now king. With England in a state of unrest, he must leave his rebellious youth and strive to gain the respect of his people. Laying claims to parts of France and following an insult of the French Dauphin, Henry gathers his troops and prepares for war and hoping to unite his country. To purchase tickets, click the link below. Now for this week's reminders. Last day to withdraw from a course with the W is April the 20th. That's all for this week. I'm Siri Cervantes, keeping you in the loop.